any image that you want to use, and I'm going to go ahead and use the sky background as my general search term. The Google Images gives you the option to filter through images, this button right here. And your first step is you really want high resolution. That is going to give you the best effect. And just a couple of things. Another way you could do that is to sort through tools and go to large. And you also want to use this, usage rights. Be sure that you click on Creative Commons license. This gives you the ability to filter out all the images that you can use for your project without worrying about breaking copyright or stumbling across somebody's work that's being protected. I know it's kind of a landmine out there, but this is the tool to do it. At the very least, what you're looking for is a 1080p file. If you use a 1080p file and you integrate it with a shot from school that's HD, it's going to match perfectly. If it's higher resolution, you may need to scale back the image. If it's lower resolution, you're going to see a small image that you have to scale up, but then it's going to be pixelated. So when you choose an image, when you go on top of the image and hover, you will see this one's 3264 by 1836. That is high enough res, and it has Creative Commons license that you're able to use that. Right click on that, click Save Image As, and then that image will be part of, you can save it right to your folder. Option 3, and then you're good to go. Then that image can be imported into Adobe. And again, if you want to match perfectly, you can choose 1080p. Now all of these objects are 1080p, which means they're 1920 by 1080. That's going to be a perfect match for anything that you're shooting that's HD, which would include the class cameras or a cell phone that's set to HD mode. It just makes it a little bit easier. Anything lower than that, though, you're going to get pixelation. So be aware of the pixel count and be aware of the usage rights. That concludes this tutorial.